Hi, my name is Sanjana Pandey. Today I'm going to give my presentations on my chosen topics. My topic is like digital distributions in the experience economy, where I'm going to talk about AI, metaverse, NFTs, virtual influencers, and event technologies. And it's from my course week 7. So yeah. And here is my introductions. In introduction, I'm going to tell about the digital distributions. Is about this digital distributions. Where digital distribution is the revolutionary effect of digital technologies on the current business model, consumer behavior, and value creation process. And where, with the experience economy, users no longer perceive the value of products or services, but affordably personalized, immersive, and memorable experience. And here this presentation is a critical discussion of how digital distributions allow entrepreneur innovations but also generates new risks, disprice, disadvantage, and challenges in ethics. And here, I'm going to talk about the experience economy theoretical foundations, where, according to the theory of the experience economy developed by Pine and Glamour, economics saved away to a scale of goods and service to that of states experiences, and experiences are described as a being engaged, immersed, co-created, and emotionally connected. Digital technologies are experiences amplifiers which enable companies to personalize experiences, virtual them, and bring them to the physical boundaries. And experience designs has become an important competitive factor among entrepreneurship, not just price and efficiency. And yeah. Here, I'm going to talk about digital distributions and entrepreneurship theory, where the disruptive innovation theory by Kistan and gives an explanation of the way in which new technology will in the beginning be targeted at niche market before talking overall industry. Mm, the concept of the creative destructions by computer is an emphasis of the fact that innovation is constant and it replaces old form of businesses, and digital distributions makes possible in the experience economy and new venture creations the business models based on platform physical design digital experiments, where physical digital experiments is normally nowadays people are mostly used is a physical digital experience. And to talk about hotels, yeah, this experience is normally used a lot in the hotel industry. And here I'm going to talk about little bit about artificial intelligence, AI in the experience economy. AI facilitates hyper personalizations, predictive analytics, and automated service provisions applied in hospitality and tourism both. And recommendations engines, virtual concretes, and chatbots, forecasting and demand forecasting and dynamics pricing. And AI transform the intentions based decisions making process to that own based on data. However, excessive automations cover up the human genuineness in the experimental environment. And normally in the hotel environment, AI is used, like I can say in hotel industry, normally the companies who are using a lot of AI, like AI in all the sectors like check-ins and checking process. And they are using a robot as an, 5-star hotel, like normally they are using robot as a services. So yeah. And here I have one case study on Disney parks and AI driven experience. Through the Magic Bone system, Disney personalized journey of visitors using AI. AI analyzed the behavior of the guests to optimize right food, service, and the crowd management, and improves customer satisfaction and boosts operationals. Um, Efficiently, more importantly, privacy, surveillance, and constant are the issues of data collections. IT shows how AI can enhance the experimental value when coupled with the brand storytelling, which is very important in hotel industry storytelling. And normally the nowadays the hotel and cultural restaurants, they are using the storytelling as an best weapons to make the guest entertain. Yeah. Here, the metaverse and virtual experience. The metaverse refers to the persistent, immersive, or digital environment where users interact with avatars. In this experience, in economy, it enables virtual tourism, digital festivals and concerts, brand storytelling beyond physical image, extend time and glamour, immerse concept into the fully virtual space, challenging challenges traditional definition of place and presence, where I already said like um, in hotel industry normally nowadays they are using virtual tourism digital festivals, like they are like making a 3D video of hotels where the people can where the customer can see from their home all the all the all each and all part of the hotel, and if they want to book any room they can see the 3D video of that room. Um so nowadays this is the very important, like yeah, normally they are using. So here, I have another case study related to hotel industry. It's Marriott International, where they are using transformation for the guest experience. Marriott International competes in the highly experienced driven hospitality industry and run thousands of properties across the world. Visitors are demanding easier, individualized, and technologically advanced experience. Marriott implement digital technologies to improve the whole visitor experience. Visitor may avoid for front office with the use of mobile apps and mobile check-ins and checkout process and smartphone based mobile cache, and then AI powered customizations utilizing visitor informations and loyalty program, voice activate smart rooms with internet of things enables and lightings, chatbots and message apps for the round the clock visual. So yeah, Marriott is a five-star hotel. So normally the Marriott is using a lot of AI affiliated products. Like they are using mobile apps and mobile checking and checkout process instead of calling and calling to the receptions. And yeah, and they nowadays we normally find like people are using different type of AI affiliated products in hotels. So this is the influence of digital distributions in hotel industry. And here, NFT and digital ownership in experience. NFT refers to the non-fungible tokens, enable unique digital ownerships using a blockchain technology used for event tickets and digital collectibles, loyalty rewards, and transforming experience into traveled digital assets, extending value beyond the event itself, risks speculative bubbles and exclusions of less tech-savvy consumers. Where I can say about the event tickets where related to the hotel industry, where guest experience such as concert, festivals, hosted events, dining experience, or theme park attraction just for the attraction of customers, and where digital collectibles refers to the guests received for attending events, staying in hotel, or participating in a special experience. Nowadays the hotels or cultural restaurants they are like making a special experience, and they're organizing the special experience program just for the entertainment of customers. So which is which is a good part to attract the customers. And loyalty rewards refers to the such as point, free style room upgrades, discount or exclusive access to events in hospitality program, help retain a guest, increase hand loyalty in a term of make it long term relationships with the digital ownership experience. Yeah. Here, I'm going to talk about the virtual influencer and brand experience, which is very important in a hospitality and tourism and event. So here, I'm going to talk about the virtual influencers. Influencers are AI-generated personals used in marketing and experience promotions, offer full brand control, consistency, and global research, blur boundaries between the authenticity and stimulations, raises ethical questions around transparency, representations, and consumers' trust, which is normally the virtual influencers is normally deal with the consumer trust. Yeah. I can say like in a hotel industry, how they can how the customer can trust and yeah, depend like this. So I have another thought case story. Coca-Cola and event technologies to aid on the festival experience. Coca-Cola merged AR live streaming and digital wearables. NFT ticketing pilot projects were launched to fight counterfeiters and generate the digital collaborators. Hybrid events model enables the world participation without physical attendance, demonstrate creativity, and at the same time of outline dangers of excessive commercializations. So yeah, this is the Coca-Cola and event technologies. And here I have some opportunities created by digital. I'm going to talk about the opportunities created by digital distributions, where the first one is expanded market, reach beyond the geographical boundaries, enhanced personalizations and customer engagement, which is very important in the hospitality industry, and new entrepreneurs models such as platform ecosystem, and increased inclusivity for these unable to attend physical experiences. Data-driven innovations improve decisions making and communicatives. And here the main focus is on is a new entrepreneurs model such as platform ecosystem. Normally, if we go to the hotel nowadays, normally people are using sustainable products. Companies, I can say company are using sustainable products just for the to make an ecosystem balance. So it's very important in a hotel industry. And here are some challenges and risks about digital distribution. So first one is online discrimination and injustice, roles of personal communications and realness, ethical issues, surveillance, AI biases and privacy, very expensive investment and high rates of technological obsolescence, blockchains and aid, data centers impact on the environment. So yeah, these are the risks and the challenges of using digital distributions. So yeah, and I'm going to talk about the implications for tourism, hospitality, and events. So I'm here talking about not only hospitality, I'm talking about tourism and event as well. So here the companies have to go hybrid with physical digital approaches, and experience designing is an interdisciplinary field that involves the use of technology, narrative, and modality. Innovators requires computer literacy and imaginations. This is a lack of regulations and governance behind innovations and making things more uncertain. These are the implementation for the tourism, hospitality, and event industry. So here I have a best practice and strategics recommendations. Technology should enhance, not replace, human experiences. Ethical design must be embedded from the outset. Co-creation with the consumers improve acceptance and engagement. Pilot projects reduce risks before large scale of implementations. Continuous learning is essential in the fast moving digital environment. And here are some recommendations and best practice which help in the digital distributions of which help in the digital distributions of like hospitality, events, and tourism sector. So yeah, and here I'm going to talk about critical reflections. Uh, Digital distribution is neither good nor bad in nature, and it is valuable to the extent that technologies are incorporated into a valuable experiences. Too much dependence on a novelty is a threat to shallow of experience. To be a successful in the long term, there must be a encouraging with the social, culture, and ethical values. Yeah, this is a point where I'm going to say like. Social culture and ethical values, this is very important in the digital distributions. So uh, to make it in a good way, we just normally we had to focus on social, culture, and ethical values of um, like uh, if I'm talking about hotel industry, yeah, normally yes, normally the people are like if the company should have to be like to get something like to make a company successful, or yeah, so they must should be like focused on social, cultural, and ethical values of what the company is going to do. Yeah. So here I'm going to say about something about my conclusions part. So here the concept of digital distribution is substantially transforming the entrepreneurship in experience economy. The metaverse, NFTs, and AI as well as event technologies are highly promoting innovations tools. Case studies show the potentials of transformations and the criticals, the balance between innovations, inclusiveness, and authenticity is necessary in the sustainable experimental entrepreneurships. And the experience economy will become a hybrid, data intensive, and ethically distributed future. So for the long term, development of the company, we must have to focus on digital distributions. Nowadays a lot of AI are people are using normally the company are using a lot of AI product, AI for the promotions and to get the profit. So yeah, um I can say the AI is the best. And then yeah, and here from my point of view, I have conclusions as well. So here I'm going to explain in a summary about the digital distributions and its how can it help in the hospitality industry. So I'm normally focusing in hospitality industry. So here digital distribution is reshaping hospitality and using how value is created and delivered to the guest. Normally the digital distributions in hospitality nowadays focus on how customer satisfaction. So in the experience economy, customers seek unique, personalized, artificial intelligence. So normally nowadays when a customer are going in the hotel, they are like thinking to do a new experience. So um AI, artificial intelligence, allow hospitality business to personalize guest journey, and digital tools enable features like online booking, dynamic pricing, virtual tools, and where they are in a virtual tools, where they are showing the 3D video and pictures of the hotels and the room where they are going to book. So which help them to see all around by sitting in their home. So this is a great improvements in digital distributions in the hotel industry. So yeah, and nowadays the hotels are making a smart room. So this is also the another technology improvements, and balanced technology will human interactions, digital solutions support emotion connections, trust, and service excellence. Normally, to talk about the hospitality industry, it's all about the human interactions, how the clients, how the staff behave with clients, and how clients will be like uh, so there is the connection. So yeah, and which help to support the emotional connections, trust, and service excellence. And hotels are using in innovations. Normally I just did my one presentations, so which is around like where the one five-star hotel is using the natural plants, or making one garden inside the hotel to make to feel the customers like uh, to feel customer natural. And yeah, I just did one presentations before on one of my course. So I put the innovations, I put that hotel. So yeah, I feel that I feel so unique, and which help to build up the like sustainability. So yeah, that's all for my presentation. So here are my some references so I give for my presentations, and thank you.